Good afternoon, good afternoon. Look at gold. Gold is just... Gold is gone. Afternoon, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Wherever you are in the world. Wait 2 seconds. Got ADP today. Hey Rosie, hello, hello. Alright, gold. So gold opened up down here 2841. That's where it closed. Hey Anna. And we have moved, well, 270 pips, 350 pips. Gold has moved already today. Hello, hello. Gold doesn't look like it wants to slow down anytime soon, but we have ADP at 115. Also, we have services PMI today at 3 p.m. So we could see a bit of a pullback depending on how news is. Or we could see gold continue up. I would like a bit of a pullback. You know, retest of this resistance. Little bounce, push back up. So we'll see what happens. We don't have any structure on the higher time frames on gold, so yeah, we just gotta wait for the market to give us some structure. But the gold buys this morning, where are the gold buys? It was a closure above at about 8 o'clock or 7:30, I remember. Yeah, so 7:30 gold closed above. Took this entry here, so I actually got in. What I did is I put my stop loss below the resistance, the broken resistance. And I think I caught about 40 pips, about 40 and change. And then yeah, I got stopped out. But yeah, it was a nice trade this morning. That was the first trade of the day. Pound yen now. Pound yen's just been ranging. At first, I was thinking buys because we had sort of a closure above. But something just said don't take it. I was already in gold at the same time as well, so I was more looking at gold. And pound yen was very bearish. So it got to 20 pips. Would have been a nice quick scalp. But you know, if you're not feeling it, don't take it. And I wasn't feeling it. And I'm glad I didn't take it. Even though it got to 20 pips, it dropped right afterwards. And yeah, came to retest this support. But it's quite a strong level down here. Obviously, as you can see, it's been tapped multiple times. You know, near 191 flat. It's got kind of a psychological level here. When it gets to round numbers, your 192s, your 191s, 193s, you'll see a bounce, a reaction. You know? But for pound yen, I want a closure above this resistance for some buys, closure below this support for some sells. but price is making higher lows, so I'm still looking at that. Although see the daily is very bearish, broke yesterday's low. 4 hour has formed a support and is pushing up. Yeah, I'm gonna take it easy. How was you guys' morning? How was your London session? Anyone catch anything? Anyone catch any of the moves today? Okay, took some DJ sells, nice. M30 continuation pattern for the sells. So that would have been here, I guess. Oh, yeah, this was quite nice actually. And continuation patterns work better in the direction of the trends. Obviously, pound yen was bullish this morning. Had a strong resistance. Broke the previous low. Got the continuation candle. And then, yeah, sells back down to the bottom of the range. Not bad. So good amount of pips as well. About 30 pips. Not bad. Depending on where you got in. Good job. Now pound yen making higher lows. So we could get a closure above in the next 20 minutes. Alright, GJ's moving up. We still have this range to possibly retrace, so that's an old line I had there. That's for yesterday. We'll get rid of that. But now we have this clean range. Let me adjust. See how this 30-minute candle closes. GBPJPY is looking very good. A big stop loss on GJ. How big would it be? Depends how far this candle closes. Okay, so far it's 33 pips. Yeah, if it pushes up too much, I don't really want to stop loss bigger than like 40 pips. Like 35, 40 pips. So hopefully price doesn't push up too much, but still like, look, 16 minutes left of the candle. Still a long way to go. See, I wouldn't rush anything. M15 closure. I kind of knew you was gonna say that. Ooh. Did it close above? No, that's the line. On N15, it kind of didn't. It didn't. Like, if you use the top of the candle, it didn't. If you use where the 30-minute... Nah, 30-minute is actually here, isn't it? Say where the resistance formed. Yeah, I'll wait. I do like this, that it's pushing up the uptrend a bit. Well, reversing, but we'll see. Gold. What are we thinking on gold? A pullback? Pullback is needed, right? Pullback is definitely needed on gold. Look. Retest this broken resistance. I do want to see a pullback to down here. 64 pips. Gold. The thing is, like, on a normal day, I'm making a new range. So I've got a new support here. I have a resistance here. So if I get a closure below, I'm in some sells. Gold is so bullish. And then we have these rejection wicks to the left. How's GJ doing? Might be holding at that resistance. Potential closure below on gold. Counter trend, in and out. Snatch like 10-20 pips. I would manage my risk super quick. I would, just because it's, you know, trading against the trend. In and out. And if gold wants to close below though, then these wicks are 15-minute supports. These rejection wicks all here. Last thing I want to do is try and call a gold top. It's the worst thing you want to do, because you could easily get smacked with gold. Very easy. Okay, GJ's pushing. This is good. 10 minutes left. I wonder what made pound yen fall yesterday. Because yesterday was looking for a closure above 193.3. to break this 4-hour resistance as well, which obviously didn't happen. So yeah, I was very, very cautious not to force anything with pound yen yesterday. Once you get these rejections, I've seen it before. And it did actually close below, I think I was looking for a closure below this support here. And it happened late, yeah, that's right. Here. But it wasn't much of a push, and it was so late into the session. Look at that. You don't take trades that late. All right, here, London market is closing. So you're not gonna have that volume, that follow through, which clearly didn't happen. Then Asian session just opened and boom. Another closure below here. But yeah, does anyone trade Asian session? This would have been a nice sell down. Closure below, all the way down. You watch the chart sometimes, or during Asian, yeah? You used to. What made you stop? Preferred London and NY. Makes sense. Yeah, I don't think I would trade all sessions because you'll be prone to mistakes trying to trade every single session. Yeah, I think if you try to trade every session, I mean, it's possible to. If you find your setup, trade it. But yeah, it's a lot of decisions you need to make. And plus, I find that one session always misses out on the volume. So you might have volume in Asian, nothing in London, volume in NY. Or you might have nothing in Asian, volume in London, volume in NY. It's never all three sessions. Like today, it's been volume in Asian, nothing really going on in London. So hopefully NY will bring the move. But it's rarely all three. Alright, so not getting that gold closure below, and maybe closure above on pound yen. Okay, GJ doesn't want to buy, that's fine. But you know what? It's been moving. I don't say it's been moving a lot, because it's not been a lot, but it has been swinging 10 pips up and down recently. Like nothing. What's gold looking like? One hour's got a nice structure. $15 doesn't look nice. I don't think ADP is gonna have crazy volume today. PMI as well. A minute and a half. I'm gonna get the closure. GJ won't close the bar due to the news. Gold needs to break resistance. Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. I don't think the news is gonna do much. Not ADP anyway. Services might. That's at 3. Okay, GJ's holding. No bottom wick. GJ's pushing though. That's it. Once it started forming these higher lows, had to get a bullish push. but no bottom wick, so should come back down and make one. Right on the resistance, fact. Right on the resistance, and then it pushed up. Nonsense. Check gold on the 15. I'm gonna leave gold on the 15 only because news is at 115. Oof, look at that 15 continuation pattern. You even see that. Kind of wanted gold to push down just so we can have a 4-hour resistance before 2 o'clock. I just want some higher time frame structure. Like, 1 hour is not higher time frame, but 4 hour would be good. Obviously there's nothing on the daily because it's just been straight bullish candles. Oh, do you think DJ's gonna keep pushing? Man, clean range up. The buys do look better than the sells. Broke the previous 4-hour high. Broke the 4-hour high. thing is, we're outside of the range, but we haven't closed outside of the range yet. So anything can happen still. There's no bottom wick, I know, right? So you've got to dip back into this range just a little bit. Just a little, swing down, make that bottom wick. Then you can push back up if you want. Just don't close above without this bottom wick. Nearly there. 65.4. We'll have that bottom wick. Okay, gold's pushing down. Beautiful. ADP. Should we check and see what happened the last ADP? Where are we? Non-farm employment change. This January the 8th. Actual is greater than forecast. So forecast is 148k. Last month was 122, so 122,000 more people employed last month. January 8th, stay on a 15-minute time frame, perfect. January 8th, so ADP was this candle right here, this indecision candle, and then price continued bullish. Alright, we made that bottom wick. Now if GJ closes above, it can push up all it likes. Still gotta wait for the 30-minute candle. 2 minutes till news. What I'm gonna do, I'm still gonna split the screen, even though I don't think nothing crazy is gonna happen. I'm still gonna split the screen. And it still picks up random lines from a random time. That's okay. Wowzers. Man, what a range for GJ, man. Tomorrow should be a good day for pound yen though. Bank of England interest rates, they're dropping. Dropping those interest rates should weaken the pound a little bit. I don't know if it will carry on or carry through for the whole session, like GJ sells. But it'll be midday tomorrow. If it was 7 o'clock, I probably would have streamed it just to see what the market does. But you know, it's gonna be midday. Actually, probably will be streaming then. I'll stream a bit earlier. Start New York session a bit earlier. Maybe 11:30, so we can catch it. And then there's unemployment claims for USD tomorrow at 1:30. So yeah, I'll start a bit earlier tomorrow. See if we can get anything from that pound volume. Right, 1 minute till ADP. My bad, that screen is not even see gold. Okay, GJ's pushing up. It's not crazy high volume, but it's moving nonetheless. Pound yen's moving more than gold. What are the numbers? Let's see. Very good numbers. Very good numbers. 183k. So nearly 40,000 more than forecast. So we should see some gold sells. Like I said, nothing crazy. See what DXY is doing. DXY pushed up on the news. GJ's moving more than gold, right? That's what it looks like to me. GJ pushed up. set that up better. Alright, so this support is still holding for gold. Very weak, very weak. How many pips did it move? Just to know. 27 pips. ADP is the real jobs data anyway. Paladin still rejecting that area. Weak sauce. Super weak sauce. Super weak. But are we going to get the gold closure below? I wouldn't mind the sells if we do. Pound yen closure above. Ooh, close above looks good. So potentially gold closure below, GJ closure above. I don't know which one I prefer. GJ so bearish, gold so bullish. Which one has the bigger stop loss? GJ, where you going? Don't go too far. Damn. Oh, here we go. Oh, Jesus. This is not good stop loss wise. Damn it. 44 pip stops. GJ. Might have to be pound yen, you know? 29? Yeah. Looks like it might be pound yen. Using 15-minute stops. What's the same? Aye. I don't know why I have this feeling that pound yen is not gonna like push up much more. Connect the bottoms. So the stop loss isn't too bad for GJ. Yeah, it's not. Compared to gold, honestly. Gold using a 30-minute stop is kind of big. Even a 15, 60 pip stops. But pound yen, it's only about 30. It's only about 30, it's not too bad. Oh my god, GJ, don't pull back into the range. Don't range no more, come on. Yeah, gold, I don't think I'll take gold. Depends actually. If gold makes a nice top wick, potentially retest this support. Yeah, if gold retests the support, flips bearish again, and then breaks this low, then I'll definitely be in some sells. And I'll use this support as a stop loss. Or like the top wick of the entry candle. Yeah, that's my plan for gold. If it closes below, oh Jesus. Everything's pulling back to their ranges. I don't like the 15. Yeah, so retest of this support, and I'll be in some gold cells. Tap like that. Break and retest, exactly. But the only thing I don't like about it is these rejection wicks to the left, knowing that these are like 15-minute supports here. Only thing I don't really like. The pound yen needs to close above 667. And keep an eye on this press. We're gonna get these gold cells in. Come on. Okay, pushing up. Didn't get the closure above on pound yen. Oh, that's a bit pushed up. It's not a bad push up, you know. It's not a bad push. Oh, GJ's dropping. That's why I didn't trust the GJ buys. What are you doing? I want to take the break of this low, guys. So I know the stream's going to be a bit delayed. I know it's going to be a bit delayed. Quick in and out. Get rid of that. Go and push. Now this is counter trend, obviously, so I want to be in and out. Go and push. $64. Why is it not? Oh yeah, I wanted to show. There, so we can see it on the charts where it's at. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Right, I'm locking some in here with my stop loss to break even because, you know, trust issues. And this counter trend. I did say I want to be in and out. I actually closed on that push down. The price, I'll grab the price in a second. Get the price correct. Okay, the price I closed at was... Do you know, I saw it out afterwards. But after that push down, I closed 8%. Let the rest run to TP. if it goes to TP. Perfect. I know the stream was a bit delayed and I didn't get to put a sell stop in, but hopefully if you were paying attention, I told you exactly what I wanted to see. The entry candle to push up, make a top wick. Retest the support, it didn't quite come up, but it had a good stop loss. Broke the lows, snatched some pips. Quick in and out. Also, spoke earlier about wanting a retest of this resistance down here. Aiming for 30 pips. Alright. Gold could do it. I think it still comes down to this resistance. Good job to everyone that caught that. Runner hit, stop loss. What? Nice trade. I'm gonna have to start closing full positions, you know. Honestly. But it was called perfectly. Little retest, push down. Nice counter trend trade on gold. W's in the chat, let's go. Alright, let's see what Pound Yen's got in store for us. Not a damn thing. Now we need a support for a move up on gold. 100%, 100%, 150%. Still super bullish on gold. Nice. Alright, we're taking the gold buys back up when they come. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Ooh, had to snatch those pips, didn't we? Had to snatch those those gold pips. That was a nice closure below. It's already in here. But the way gold's moving, that's why you gotta get in and out. Alright, we're gonna get some gold buys on the same stream. Would be nice. Very possible. I don't think pound yen's gonna give us anything just yet. I mean, that's okay. Oh, gee, not gold. Gold, you're going down to the resistance. I still want it to come down and retest. And then anywhere it forms a support above this resistance is good for me. So it won't be on, I'll see the next candle, because I'm anticipating the next candle to form the support. So that's the 2 a.m. candle. And then the 2:30 candle, I'm anticipating that's when it pushes back up. Or, you know, whatever candle after the one that forms support as well, I'll be getting into some buys. And then we have a new range. So I'll delete that and then wait for the support to form. And then we buy back up. Oh, look at that. So first support is here. Rose, you just hit TP. You don't close partials. You know what? Good for you. Good for you, yo. That's good. I might have to start doing that. Holding full positions. Just closing full. Bam. Lock everything in. Sometimes my runners do damage. That's the thing. A lot of the time, my trades can run. And I'll just add more positions. But with this, I mean, if it's a counter trend trade, I'm definitely locking in. Yeah, but for other ones, it might be a good to look into. But we'll see. I need to go over my data and see how many times my stop losses get hit in profit, and then take it from there. If it's more than half, then maybe I should start closing full. I think that's the best way to analyze your actions. Seeing how many times things work, how many times things don't work. And then making the decisions based on that, really. Pound yen, I see that going back up a little bit. To what, new 15? Oh, it's just ranging there. Gold had to pull back from these highs though, right? Then it's just going to be support after support. So I'll be looking at which support it bounces off from. If it does. So I think it will. Okay, might still hold at this resistance, but 12 minutes left of the candle. Still got a way to go. Could have re-entered the same trade, right? After we got stopped out, could have literally got in again and pushed down. For real. For real. Alright, so we're approaching support 1. TP hit. It's gonna respect 2857. Why is that a 1 hour? If it's gonna retest this area, this broken resistance. Yeah, I can't call it, but what I can do is mark out areas where I think price will retest. And that's literally what I do. That was a very nice pullback. Yeah, I'm gonna watch what it does at this first support. If this holds, looking for a support, then buys back up. If it breaks, I'm looking to see what price does at the next support, and so forth if it keeps on pulling back. But don't forget, we do have more news in another hour. What's pound yen doing? Like, if you're gonna sell back into the range, sell through the range. Taking your time for. And we could still close above this resistance and do a retest, not a retest, but resistance turn support. Trump to become the first president to attend, the sitting president to attend the Super Bowl. This guy. So buys up will be nice. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Waiting to see where this closes now. I don't think GJ is going to come back to the bottom of this range. Not when it's forming these higher lows. Just a 4 hour looking like. In fact, next 4 hour candle could actually form a resistance and sell down. I can picture it happening. We'll see. But yeah, good session, guys. Good session. I hope everyone caught some pips. What I like about this group right here is everyone trades pretty similarly. So it looks like the majority of us took the sells, but everyone closed at different places, which I think is just amazing. Love that. Same idea, different executions, right? Am I still gonna post my trades, the shorts? Yeah, I am actually. So I did record, I did edit some shorts over the past couple weeks. I just need to post them. Don't ask me why I'm taking so long, but yeah, I will. So I have one from, we took some gold buys on stream a couple weeks ago, like January. It was last week or the week before. Took some gold buys, and then there was a day that we took 2 trades in the same session. I think it was gold sells and then maybe GJ buys. I can't remember. I haven't done the last one, but I just cut one. So yeah, I just need to post it. So I will definitely do that. I've got another video as well explaining my strategies. I'll release that. I'll post that this week. I'm gonna cut some shorts from that as well. But yeah, there's a couple things I've got coming. A couple things. So yeah, all is coming. Alright, gold is pulling up. Oh, look at that pullback on gold. Alright, let's see where this candle closes. So it ended up respecting this resistance right here. And kind of this support, 2858. Right, so now this candle I want to see this candle create a support. Then after the support, I want buys all the way back up. Now, hopefully this news at 3 o'clock doesn't affect the trade too much, but you never know. But definitely looking for more gold buys. Although it's pulling back from the highs. Finally got a higher time frame structure, resistance. Anyway, that's gold. Pound yen, obviously still creating higher lows. So we should finally get a closure above and then a push up. Okay, it's just doing it straight away off the bat. All right. Well, we've seen this before. It pushes too soon, it pulls back down. So yeah, that's it. That's me. Done for today. Good job on them gold sales. Amazing work, everyone. Back at it tomorrow. What day is it tomorrow? Thursday. Yeah, unemployment claims. And yeah, I'll start a bit earlier. I'll schedule it. So keep an eye out for the notification. Probably start about 11:30 UK. 11:30, 11:45. Obviously because we have Bank of England interest rates at 12. So yeah, peace out, guys. What's pound yen doing? Later.